Hey guys, just a little quick video of me unboxing the Z9F TV set. I already took off the foam and everything, but I wanted to share something with you on the unboxing here. This is kind of like my Z9D. When I had my Z9D, they give you this nice, like aluminum, for lack of better words, type of covering, and it's like padded all the way around the TV set. And the first thing I noticed about the Z9D, excuse me, the Z9F, here we go, saying Z90 already, is that the TV, the way it's packed, is a lot better than the other non-Master Series TV sets, which is a shame because they all should be packed just as good. But you know, I guess if you pay when you pay $5,000, which I did not, I paid the sale price, of course, actually less than the sale price, as I explained in my last video. That everybody should be taking, you know, getting the exact same treatment, but this is definitely packed better than my other TV set. There's actually some foam inside this, like aluminum stuff, for lack of better words. That's pretty impressive. So just wanted to share that with you guys. A little bit of unboxing, and it comes with the legs here. The power cord is kind of unique. The power cord, if you look at it, it's a plug-in type where this plugs in, which to my benefit, I already have a bunch of high-end silver power cords that I can just plug back in this TV set, which is kind of cool for me because it just gives it that extra little oomph, and is pretty awesome. The remote is the only thing that it has the old style remote, and some people commented on that even before you guys know I have this TV. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and you guys have a great holiday season.